It is a technician's wheeled case designed to cope with all terrains and large toolkits. It is equipped with a comfortable handle, a holder with Velcro, and a small transparent slide-in pocket at the top. Inside the spacious interior, there is a transparent document pocket and different size compartments. On each side of the tool bag there is a capacious, Velcro locked pocket. At the front, there is a tool storage pocket with elastic holders and compartments, as well as additional thinner pocket. It is also equipped with a retractable handle and wheels, enabling for pulling the product.